Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple Instagram posts at once. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you want to delete, say, all of your Instagram posts or just multiple, say the last 10, 15, 20, you can do that quickly within the Instagram app. What we're going to do is open up Instagram here, and then tap on the profile icon at the very bottom right. And then we will tap on the three lines at the top right here, and the second option is your activity. We'll tap on that. And then on here, the second option again is photos and videos. We're going to tap on that, and then tap on post, the very first option. This will show you all of your posts from newest to oldest. Of course, you can tap the sort and filter if you wanted to say delete anything that's a year or older or anything like that. You can sort or filter them. But what we'll do is tap select at the very top right here, and then we can just select multiple of these posts just going through. And if we wanted to delete, say, the most recent 12 or something like that, or go to the very bottom and delete the oldest ones, you can select all these, and at the very bottom, it gives you archive option or delete option. So you can delete all 12 of those posts and bulk delete them all at once. And of course, you can go back here, and if you wanted to just go back to your profile, you can go to individual posts and tap the three dots if you wanted to just delete them one at a time. I hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.